In this unit, we're going to look at MongoDB. MongoDB is a versatile database server that you can use in your projects. What is MongoDB and what makes it different from MySQL, which we've already looked at? Well, MongoDB is a document-based database. It's also called NoSQL or non-relational database. We looked at MySQL earlier, which requires data to be stored in a very structured form. Each field in the table has a specific data type, string, integer, floating point, number, and so on. This format allows for data in various tables to be connected to form a relationship, hence the term relational database. MongoDB is different. It's useful for storing large amounts of unstructured data. In fact, its name, MongoDB, comes from the fact that it's designed to store humongous amounts of data. Using MongoDB, data can easily be stored across multiple servers in the cloud. It also uses a JSON-like format called bson, which we're already familiar with. MongoDB is great at storing data when no relationship is needed. In a traditional SQL database, we'd have, for example, a products table. The product ID might be linked to an artist table, the invoicing table, and so on. In MongoDB, we don't make those kind of relationships. Data in MongoDB is stored in a collection of documents with no rigid structure, which means that we can store large amounts of data without having to define what types they are in advance. It's important to be familiar with different types of database technology in order to be flexible and to choose the correct database system for our projects. It's good to know MongoDB as well because it's part of what's called the mean stack, which consists of MongoDB, Express.js, Angular, and Node.js. In this unit, we are going to look at using a cloud-based MongoDB provider and how to integrate this with Python. Our learning outcomes for this unit include creating a MongoDB database in the cloud, using MongoDB command line tools to manipulate data, connecting to MongoDB using Python, and then we're going to create a menu-driven database system.